Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 isn't heating up, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, including a faulty heating element or a blockage in the airflow. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage and more expensive repairs down the line. To get started on fixing this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement heating element. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. Now, you'll want to locate the heating element. It's typically situated near the base of the device, connected to the main circuit board. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the heating element, taking note of where each one connects to ensure you can reattach them later. Once the cables are free, remove the screws securing the heating element in place. Gently lift it out, being careful not to disturb any surrounding components. Now it's time to replace the heating element with your new one. Position the new element in place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables according to your notes, ensuring they are firmly attached. After this, carefully close the casing of your Dyson HD01, aligning the clips and screws correctly. Screw everything back in place securely. Once you've reassembled your device, plug it in and turn it on to check if the heating function is working properly. If the device heats up as it should, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson HD01. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your device to avoid blockages and check for any signs of wear and tear on the heating element. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.